Hey guys, it's me, Robert again, the avionics man. Been out there hustling, so I haven't gotten back to you. But last time we talked, I told you I was going to start the series on Ohms Law. Today's a little introduction to that. Come this way a little bit closer. I got Ron, my cameraman. Thank God for him. So we're going to talk about Ohms Law when we start the series, and we're going to talk about the formulas, and this is all part of the A&P coursework. Problem with that is, if you become an A&P, this is 2 weeks of the part of the coursework, and when you get out and become an A&P, you forgot everything you did 3 years ago when you took this coursework. And really, there's no hands-on training or too much of it in the A&P courses. But that's where I'm at, and we're going to be proficient in our meters, like I told you, be able to use it, be able to, do continuity checks and insulation checks and all kinds of good stuff. But I wanted to mention, first of all, that there's 3 types of technicians: bench, line, and installer. This coursework is designed for the line and installer. I did all 3 of them. Most of my career has been in line maintenance and installations. I had a little shop one time, and what does a bench do? They tear apart units. We on the line do not open units to mess with the units. That's why the electronics, you're gonna know what a resistor is, you're gonna know what a diode is, but we don't deal with the transistor part of it because that's for the benches. You got a little bit more knowledge of electronics, and we don't do that in the line or when we're doing an install. We install new equipment, the equipment fails, we take it off, and we get the appropriate equipment to replace. So just so you get that under your wraps here, because I'm not teaching you to be an electronic whiz and fixing units. I mean, who makes those units? Collins, Honeywell, and Thales. Most of the equipment in the U.S. aircrafts that are flying is Honeywell and Collins. Honeywell and Collins, and Thales is more European. All the Airbuses have Thales units in it. So here's a little circuit I put together. Bulb, and we're going to discuss it when we're doing these formulas: 3-volt battery and a switch. Come this way, Ron. Thank God for Ron, man. I couldn't do this alone. So right over here, we got a little circuit that I put. It's the same one that I just pointed out at the board: 3 volts, a switch, and a bulb. So I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully it turns on. There it is. So you got current flowing through that circuit right now. And right here is a fan that I'm going to put in parallel, and you're going to see the light dim. It's going to dim it because why? It's loading it down. So resistance, more resistance, it'll load down, less voltage. It's been a pleasure. See you tomorrow.